Hi. We have eaten lots of times in Chinese restaurant. Scezuwan style fried fish is really amazing. It's really chilly, it's hot, and you sweat and you eat it and you love it. I like it, Zinta liked it, my Hassan loves it. We found an easy way to do this. This is from a Chinese shop. We bought this one. It's a fragrant and hot fish flavor seasoning. We bought this one. You could almost find any Chinese restaurants. Chinese shops. And this is the fish we bought from Little white fish fillets. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to season it with this one overnight. It's got a few packets, and tomorrow we're going to cook it. Here, what we're going to do, I opened it up. Inside there's one big packet and two small ones. These two small ones are for seasoning, which we will use it tomorrow. And this big one, I'm going to mix it with the cut fish. You could have a look here. It's very easy. I think this is going to be Dad's food. Ladies who is watching, ask your husbands, boyfriends or partners, anyone, please cook this for me. I'm going to have a rest today. And of course you can eat with rice. It's amazing. Here we go. I mixed it up and we're going to leave it for overnight, or maybe you could leave it a couple of hours. It should be fine because this fish is very fine, and it should get, the spices should get in. And this is really hot. I mean, lots of people like spicy food anyway. So is it healthy or not? I'm not sure, but sometimes you need to treat yourself. It's one of them. Okay, thank you. Okay, we're going to cut some cabbage. This is going to mimic the Chinese vegetable what we used last time for original recipe. I'm going to fry this cabbage, and then I'm going to cook this one separately, fry like stir fry, then mix it together and see if it's going to give that proper Chinese taste. Okay, let's put some oil. Not too much, I think. And yeah, I like mustard seeds. Then I can actually put some carapincha we have here. And look for some yellow leaves. Oh, it's falling, that's good. Not environmental unfriendly. This is from our own tree. These leaves actually gone yellow because we moved to the other flat and he didn't like it there. Don't jump, put it back. Smells nice. Might have put some salt, I think. Perfect. Nice smell. Salt. And mix it up so it doesn't catch. And I could see the color is changing. Actually, you could see it becomes kind of from white to kind of green a color. This is actually cooked. Let me try this one. This actually tastes good. You could even eat this on its own now. So what I put only salt and some mustard seeds. But of course, if you like, you could put some cumin seeds, or you could put some fennel seeds. It depends on the taste. At the moment, Zinta doesn't like this one, so I'm not going to put it. So, but you could put this, yeah. So this one, this stir-fried cabbage, the quick ones, and made it would eat it on its own. Of course, then you will put some crushed chilies, which we have here. But I'm not going to put the crushed chilies because our fish mixture we put yesterday from the Chinese one, that's got lots of chilies in its own, so I'm not going to add anything more. But if you're going to cook this one on its own, stir fry, you could use it. But now we're going to put it in this pot. Then I'm going to cook the fish separate. This is like half cooked, crunchy, really nice. I even like to eat it like this. And then what we do, we will put the fish now, cook it separately and mix it together, because then the sauce will spread around. Might have to put a little bit of oil. So this is the marinated fish which we prepared yesterday. It was in the fridge. Now children feeling hungry, I thought I'll cook it. It should cook really fast because it's white fish. It's about 7 to 10 minutes, I think. I could see the fish is already cooked. This fish cooks really fast. And let's taste it. And look at that, it's crunchy, it breaks. It's hot. It's already tasting nice. But we need to mix up with our trying cabbage instead of the Chinese green vegetables. I forgot the name anyway. And it's already there. And I need to mix it, and I have some more stuff to put on top. Okay, this also came in that same packet inside. Some kind of white powder, I'm not sure what it is, but well, it tastes really nice once it's in. I'll put that in, and we're going to add something really nice afterwards. I think it can be soya maybe, to probably reduce this the gravy, to make it a bit thicker. Wow, this is the one, the dried chili. It's amazing, and you can sweat. Wow. If you are a spice lover, that is it. You need to put this one. If not, you could live without this. And this is especially for people from Sri Lanka, India, like tropical countries, African people. We love this chilies. But of course, if you're European, you don't have to put this part of this one, the chilies. It's not necessary, because it's already the previous sauce we mixed up last night and we marinated it. It has the aroma and it's got the taste already in it. And it is done now. And you can eat this with rice, is the best option, I think, because that will reduce the heat as well, rice. You could of course eat with bread or Greeky or anything like that. But we prefer to eat with rice because you don't feel it. And we sometimes put some Greek yogurt as well around, that reduces the heat. What is that? Okay. That's very colorful. It's a coconut sambal, fish, rice and cabbage. Oh, we didn't have tomatoes. That's all right. How is it, Hassan? How is the fish?
Extraordinary.
And who is that person there? Where is his food?
It has already
Eaten already.
Yeah.
That's my new invention, with cabbage and fish instead of pop joy. Let me try that.
Why are you closing your eyes?
Because I can feel the heat going up my brain and down.